guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Try Beauty Box, and do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Tribe Beauty Box just arrived. I'm gonna say this is for October/November since it's a bi-monthly box. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what is inside. They do put some of their spoilers on Instagram and it looks really, really good. So let's go ahead and see what we have. So, Tribe Beauty Box. It's a tight fit. Alrighty. So that is what it looks like when you open the box. And let's see, where is there a card in here? There's not a card in here. Normally, isn't there a card in here? I don't know, maybe we don't get a card this month, but there's definitely no card in there. So let's go ahead and just go through the box. So the first thing we have is Venus Gal Cosmetics is what I think that says. And these are some lashes. So here is a pair of lashes. They look really nice and wispy, like an all-nighter, which you could always trim them down if you wanted to, but those look really nice. Make your eyes pop. So we have a pair of lashes is number one. Second item is by Maribel. This is Prime for Face. There's that. Let's see what it looks like inside. And ooh, it's a full size right there. There's a face primer. So that is really cool. So this box normally kind of gives you a full face, which I appreciate, and it's every other month, so you're not gonna get bombarded with makeup, which I appreciate as well. Here says no mo stash. What? 12 hypoallergenic waxing strips for the face. Portable hair removal kit. No mo stash. So I guess this is to wax your upper lip. So here's a container of some waxing strips. So there's item number 3. Then we have is this guy right here. And I'm going to assume this is to clean your face, because I know I got one time and I was like, oh, this is a little brush cleaner. And somebody's like, no, you don't clean your brushes with that. You clean your face. And I was like, oh. So, and that's what this looks like. So I'm assuming this is just a portable, like, clean your face with cleanser, unless this ends up being one for brushes and I'm wrong again. But this looks like this would be for your face. If there was a card, I'd be able to know for sure, but I'm going to assume, since one of you guys told me, this is to scrub your face. So we have a little handheld face scrubber. Then we have these two items right here. These are both by Wander Beauty, and one says Midnight Malbec and one says On the Mauve. What are these? Lip setters, dual lipstick and liner. I've never seen a dual lipstick and liner. So let's see how this works. So let's go with the Midnight Malbec. And so that would be the lip liner. That is so neat. I've seen double-ended or dual-ended that both have lip products, but never like that. And then there's that end. Let me swatch these for you guys. So, ooh, this is a plum purple. Wow. Okay, so I'll put this on and then I'll see which one I want to put on my face. Then here will be the lip liner. So there's the two for this one. Those are pretty. I'm liking this dual-ended thing here. Have you guys ever seen this? And I know Wander Beauty goes around in boxes, but I have never seen this product. And I don't think I've ever got a lip product. It's mainly like eyelashes, not eyelashes. It's normally like mascara that I see. And so, okay, now we're going a little bit lighter. Ooh, that is so pretty. I don't know which one I want to try on now. That is so pretty. I'm gonna go with the purples. I'm gonna go with the plums to show you guys, since that is a darker color, but those are beautiful colors and we got 2 of them. I like this concept. So the lighter pinker one is on the mauve, so that's more of the mauve, like pinkish side. And then this is the purple. Let's get this on. Okay, so there's a liner, and now on the flip side, let's get the lipstick on. There we go. I like it. So that's the dark. I really like it. Okay, so we have 2 different, and I appreciate that they give you 2. So you have 2 different ones if you want a darker purple look or you want more of a mauve natural color. So I really like that. Now, for the palette, this is what I saw the spoilers on, and the palette looked really, really nice. So there's the packaging. Same thing. And this looks like it's the Artisan Palette. Ooh. And what they've been doing is they've been like giving you like 2 to 3 different options with the palette, and you can actually choose which one you would like. They had a different version, like a different palette, and I chose this one because it's like an all-in-one. It has the highlighter and a blush and the eyeshadows all in one palette, and the colors are more like my colors, with the burgundies, purples, brown tones. Like that's my go-to every day that I like to grab and use. So I was so excited when I saw this one. I'm like, yeah, this is the one that I want. So this here is the eyeshadow. I mean, it just says that it's an eyeshadow palette. So maybe all of these are all eyeshadows, but to me, these look like these would be like highlighters and blushes and like contouring. Like, to me, that's what this looks like, but it could just all be eyeshadows, but you can use them for anything. I've seen people actually use eyeshadow for highlighter and stuff. So, and I've actually used highlighters and blushes for eyeshadows. So you can pretty much use it for anything. So there's that. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys. Let me get my fingers in there. Okay, so this silver is still literally on my finger. That you probably need a glitter glue to use. So let me get this off my finger really quick. But the gold shimmer goes on like a normal shadow. It's just that silver right here, you're gonna probably need a glitter glue. But what I did is those 4 that I thought were like highlighting and blush, I put down here. So those are those 4 that are on the outside, the square. And then here, from here over, are all of the different colors. So I can definitely see me using a look, especially with these purples, to go with this purple. That would look so good. And then you could also tone it down more, the pinks, and use the pinker nude one too. So that's one thing that I really like about the Try Box is they give you pretty much a full face. You get like a palette, you get a lip product. Here we're getting like something to clean your face with. You have waxing strips, you have the face primer, you have 2 really, really neat, and I love these lip products. And then you even have a set of lashes. So this is everything that came in this bi-monthly Tribe Beauty Box. Comment down below, let me know what you guys thought. I don't have a card, so I can't give you like the total value of the box, but I thought they normally put cards in here. Maybe for us influencers, they don't put them in there, but I was sent this to review. I'm on their influencer program. So thank you so much, Tribe Beauty Box, for sending me this amazing box. I'm so excited about this month. I can't wait to play with this palette. I'm in love with this lip product. It's not even getting like on my teeth or anything, so that's a plus. So if you guys do not know about Try Beauty or you want to know a little bit more about them, I will go ahead and let you know now. If you've already watched me unbox these and you already know, then feel free to X out now, no problem. So Try Beauty box, again, is a bi-monthly beauty box that's shipped to you. It is $34.99 a month plus shipping. You can use my code Crafty to get 10% off, and you follow the link down below. So in my description box, I will have the link. You can follow the link and then use Crafty to get 10% off your order, which that's amazing. I love when companies give me a code to save you guys money. Now, are you crazy about beauty? Receive a beauty box of trendy and indie brands every 2 months. You'll get 5 full-size beauty products worth over $100, and it's only $34.99, again, plus shipping. Try Beauty Box is 100% female-owned company, so they use products from indie to independent to up-and-coming brands. Our beauty expert carefully select each item based on the staple products needed in each beauty kit as well as current trends. So that is basically what the price is. That's about the box. They're all female owned. And again, I like that they're every other month, so you're not getting bombarded with a monthly box and getting too much product and having makeup overload. And I do appreciate that they give you pretty much a full face. And every other month you can get all new makeup products to use. So that's awesome. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you again, Try Beauty Box, for sending me this amazing box to review. I am loving this lip, you guys. Have you guys seen anything like that before? That is amazing. So comment down below, let me know what you thought of this month's box. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so then you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.